Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and tell you real quick because I'm editing the video right now and I'm seeing that I didn't even tell y'all what the video is about. So basically it's just me getting ready for graduation. I graduated. Yeah, I graduated and I'm done with school forever. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So I retook my graduation pictures a while ago. And then here's one of them. And then here is the shindig pictures from my job. That's my boss and my coworker. Just so y'all know I'm officially unemployed. And then they gave us this mug, which I think is so cute. Like, it's my favorite thing I've ever received job-wise. So yeah, happy about that. But here we are when it comes to my cap. It says on to my new dream, BA 2023, because that's my degree. Here I'm graduating. Tangled. So that's what we got going on right now. I'm just gonna film a time lapse, I guess. Okay, haul time, because I'm not gonna do it when I get home. I didn't spend a lot. I got an eyeshadow palette that I do not need. It's Too Faced Better Than Chocolate. Let's look at it. I looked at it inside and it was actually really pretty. The shades on the side don't do it justice at all, but I got this one. I love that every single time you get something from them, it smells like chocolate. So I got this, really pretty, good for what I need it for. Oh, someone got eyeshadow all over my stuff. Okay, whatever. I got this, and then I got some eye patches from Good Molecules. It's caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I'm always sleepy. I need something to wake me up and make me look alive, and I'm probably gonna use it tomorrow since I use it AM and PM. So this is it that I got. And then for cleanser, because I did get a cleanser, I got this Kapari facial marine clean purifying gel cleanser. And then lastly, I got my mascara. Let me make sure that was $12 because it was supposed to be. And yeah, that's a little mini haul. We're about to go home now. I'm so happy I got out the house. Now I need to figure out what I'm gonna get on Black Friday other than bundles. Honestly, like I said, I'm going for vibes, so I probably won't even get anything. But that was good, accomplished. I'm probably not gonna go to Sephora simply because it's not out the way. It's literally right there. It's just across the highway, and I would much rather just go get my hair braided. Because she'll braid it for me in a heartbeat. Not a heartbeat, but like that's how fast she be braiding it. So we're gonna go get my hair braided now. Got my hair braided. Got 4 braids. Now we're heading home. Put you over here. I look different now than before, but not that different. Just more different. That's all I really need to do left. Because December I am not working as much because I graduate on the 15th. I stopped working on the 6th. My checks are gonna be low, like very low. So Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on the countdown to graduation. Today is my birthday as well, and so we're just gonna go ahead and get our free drinks. I have some camera equipment that I have to return to Fort Worth Camera I'm in Dallas, so we're about to drive. But yeah, we're on a countdown to graduation. I graduate in 4 days. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So like I said, we're returning some camera equipment. I borrowed this lens. It's in a Sony bag, but it's a Nikon Z mount. And then I also borrowed a light. So we're gonna return these 2 things in a bit. Okay, we're in Fort Worth now. I don't like this way, actually. Why did they take me this way? I got my first free drink from Scooters. Scooters Coffee is a drive-through one. So they only take you through drive-through. Just like Salad and Go. Salad and Go, they don't have any way for you to... Well, I think you go walk up to Salad and Go, but Scooters, they don't have a way for you to walk up to. So that's what we're doing right now. We're in Fort Worth. Looking at all this construction or whatever. Back in the car. So right now, I'm about to go get waxed. Why? Because like almost 2 months ago, I said I would get waxed when I last got waxed. And there's still barely anything there. I really could have just waited, but whatever. We're gonna get this done with, and then I will be good for whatever comes up this week. I'm heading back to Arlington. I'm so tired of Arlington because I had to be there on Friday too. So. Hello. As you see, I blew out my hair. 2 colors as always. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. Hopefully it comes out how I want it to look. I think I already showed you guys how it's supposed to look, but I'll show you again. Maybe. Not right now. But right now we are replanning my party. Yeah. I've been planning this party for about 2 months now, and it's changing. From going to a studio that I found off of Peerspace, and now we're doing it at my house. So we're gonna be doing all that, and we have a lot of last minute decorations to buy that I need by tomorrow and Thursday, because the party's Friday now instead of Saturday, and it's gonna be raining Friday, and I don't know, it's just a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, so when my mom comes home, we're gonna talk about it all. Yeah. I'm on my way. I'm 5 minutes away from the salon that I'm getting my hair done at. So yeah, we will be there very soon. I had to rush back home and get some foundation for the closure, because I don't like when they use their own foundation because they always make it very yellow. I'm a neutral pink girl. Like, I have yellow in me, obviously, but not that much to where, you know, it doesn't blend. So I always bring my own foundation. So yeah, we're on the way right now.
Solid. I think I want to do straight and you want to frame it this time like a little later. No, he can shave. Okay. Well, how about him? You know what?
It's so lonely in my mansion. Kissing I hope the cut is whether they like it or not. I want to show you up. I want to show you up. I want to brag. Hey y'all. Okay, so my dad and my stepmom and my sister and my stepbrother are here in town. They said they should be down soon. I am here at their hotel just waiting, and they're supposed to follow me all the way to Pluckers in Arlington. If you know what Pluckers is, you know it's kind of good. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting on right now. I don't know if you can see my hair, but it's done, girl. It's cute. It's cute. I have to re-curl it because it fell, because I got straight hair. Like, the texture that I bought was straight, and then she was having a hard time curling it because the picture that I showed her, I wanted big, like, big curls, and the picture I showed her was like, yeah, and then she was she had a hard time curling it because it's straight and it's naturally straight, and she was like, high quality hair like this is going to want to stay straight. And yeah, I understand that part, but the person that I ordered from didn't have any wavy hair, so it's whatever. But yeah.
Congratulations and well done. These students have received from their loved ones, those that provided emotional, intellectual, even financial support to enable them to reach this point. So families and guests, graduates who earned a master's or doctoral degree, you changed your tassel from right to left when you received your bachelor's degree, and it'll always remain on the left from this day forward. But bachelor's graduates, you may now switch your tassel to the left side to signify you've completed your undergraduate studies.
Kevin V. Lee, Asia Gabrielle Mitchell, Rochelle Mitsakos, David Ogadan, Emily Belen Perez, Taylor Cherie Ricks, Gerardo Rivera, Young Van Tran.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If there's any congratulations in the comments, I will obviously say thank you, but this is a thank you in advance. And I hope you enjoyed watching the journey. Next will be some slideshow pictures that I found on my phone from over the years with my friends.